Hello guys, and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to give you my 5 reasons why I believe you should definitely go and grab the Casio Duro. So this is going to be the Casio MDV 106. First of all, this is maybe the most affordable and best diver's watch at this exact moment on Amazon with over 50,000 reviews. So there is no chance that so many people got it wrong. The second reason is that this is going to be a true diver's watch. So we have 200 meters of water resistance. We have a screw down crown and a screw down back that is going to ensure that 200 meters of water resistance. The third reason is that there are so many variations and combos that you can choose from. You can go with the full black. As you can see, I went with the half black and half blue bezel. You also have green, black and gold, the Pepsi version, the blue one. So make sure to go and grab the exact color that matches your personality, your lifestyle, your outfits. The fourth reason, one maybe that is very convenient to a lot of users out there, is the fact that this is actually powered by a Quartz movement, and also it features a date window here at 3 o'clock. This means that it is going to be very reliable, very accurate. The movement also features a hacking, so if I pull the crown to the last position in order to set the time, you can see that the seconds hand has stopped. And also the date window is going to be a feature that I'm pretty sure many of you like a lot. Lastly, we cannot forget about the resin strap that Casio uses on a lot of their watches. This is going to be a very water resistant, dust resistant, very flexible, durable strap that Casio uses. And also it is going to look amazing on the wrist. For reference, I have a wrist size of 165 millimeters or 6.5 inches. So this is going to be a great fit for medium and larger wrists. So guys, those were the 5 reasons why I believe you should definitely go and grab one of these. It also has a very nice rotating bezel, a lot of other things that I love about this watch, the quality, the material, so everything is amazing. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below to this particular model, but you can choose the one that you like the most. Also guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel. I post a lot of videos about watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials and watch reviews. I would also like to hear your thoughts out in the comment section below, because I am pretty sure that many of you already have one of these or are planning to get one. In case you do so, make sure to come back and leave a comment, because I want to hear your experience and opinion about the Casio Duro. Also guys, if you would like to purchase your first vintage watch, make sure to check out our website vintagereda.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, link in the description box below. Once again guys, make sure to subscribe, and I'm going to see you on the next one.